Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer server ownership on Discord. First, what we're going to do is we're going to go over, click on our server, go to server settings, and here we want to go to members. It should bring us here. Now, as you guys can see, I have a new account here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on more options on the right side and click transfer ownership. Now, as you guys can see, this will transfer ownership of HardReset to another account, and this cannot be undone. I acknowledge by transferring ownership of this server, and it officially belongs to them. As you guys can see, now we need to check our email, and once we check our email, we should get the verification code. You should be able to just enter it, and after that you'll be good to go. So after you get the code, you will not be the owner anymore, and that's basically how that works. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.